GoPro, once a market leader in the action camera industry, is now close to bankruptcy. So what went wrong? In this video, we will explore how the founders' one mistake ruined GoPro's whole success from start to end. The story starts with the birth of Nick Woodman on June 24, 1975, in Santa Clara, California. He grew up in a well-off family. His father, Dean Woodman, was a co-founder of the investment bank Robertson Stephens. This background provided Nick with a certain level of financial security and the opportunity to pursue entrepreneurial ventures from a young age. Woodman attended the University of California, San Diego, where he graduated with a degree in visual arts. His passion for surfing and adventure sports heavily influenced his later business endeavors. After college, Woodman tried his hand at a few entrepreneurial projects, with mixed results. Before GoPro, Woodman founded Funbuug, a startup focused on online gaming and sweepstakes. Funbuug received $3.9 million in funding but ultimately failed during the dot-com bust in 2001. The experience was a significant blow to Woodman, both financially and emotionally. He took the failure personally and decided to take a break to reassess his career goals. In 2002, inspired by a surfing trip to Australia and Indonesia, Woodman identified a gap in the market for a durable, high-quality camera that could be used by extreme sports enthusiasts. With $200,000 borrowed from his father and additional funds from his mother, Woodman started working on prototypes for what would become the first GoPro camera. The first product, a 35mm film camera attached to a wrist strap, was designed specifically for surfers and quickly gained traction among extreme sports enthusiasts. By 2004, GoPro had launched its first digital camera, marking the beginning of its rise to prominence. After the launch with cunning marketing strategies, it capitalized on user-generated content, social media, and strategic partnerships to build a strong brand. By encouraging users to share their videos and photos, GoPro showcased real-life applications of their cameras, which were prominently featured on their social media channels and YouTube, creating a loyal community. The GoPro Awards incentivized high-quality content creation, while partnerships with extreme sports athletes and content creators extended their reach. The company also utilized exciting product launch events and strong retail partnerships to ensure visibility and availability. GoPro maintained its brand through innovative marketing and by embracing a lifestyle branding approach. With a great product and amazing marketing, GoPro's growth was explosive. By 2013, the company had nearly $1 billion in revenue, dominating the action camera market with almost 100% of helmet camera sales at specialty retailers. The company went public in 2014 with an IPO that valued it at nearly $3 billion. Shares opened at $1.24, and GoPro raised over $400 million in new capital, which was used to expand its product line into 4K cameras, drone-mounted systems, and cloud storage solutions. Following the IPO, Nick Woodman became an instant billionaire. His newfound wealth led to extravagant spending, including the purchase of a 180-foot yacht, a Gulfstream G5 jet, multiple homes, and a fleet of vintage sports cars. Woodman's personal spending mirrored the company's increasingly unsustainable spending habits, contributing to financial strain. He was one of the highest-paid CEOs in the United States. In 2014, when GoPro was at its peak, Woodman earned a stock package valued at $285 million. By 2016, his salary was $800,000, complemented by a performance-related cash bonus of $300,000, making his total compensation over $1 million annually. And this overspending mistake caused the company's decline. One of GoPro's first major missteps came with the launch of the Hero 4 Session in 2015. The product, priced at $399, was overpriced and underwhelming. Poor sales forced GoPro to drastically reduce the price, leading to its first unprofitable quarter. This period marked the start of GoPro's financial troubles, with share prices declining and investor confidence waning. In 2016, GoPro attempted to diversify its product line by entering the drone market with the Karma drone. However, the product was plagued with issues, including a massive recall due to drones losing power mid-flight. This failure cost GoPro $150 million and led to significant layoffs. Additionally, a class action lawsuit accused GoPro of misleading investors about the drone's performance and market demand. GoPro's rapid expansion post-IPO saw employee numbers swell from 700 to 1,600 within 18 months. This overexpansion led to inefficiencies and a loss of the scrappy, innovative spirit that had driven its early success. The market for action cameras also began to saturate, and competitors like Sony, DJI, and Insta360 started eroding GoPro's market share. GoPro's financial struggles became evident as its stock price plummeted from a peak of nearly $87 per share in 2014 to below $2 in the following years. The company faced a 95% decline in its share price, reflecting significant investor disillusionment. Analysts estimated a 30% chance of bankruptcy due to the company's financial instability and poor strategic decisions. In an effort to turn the company around, Woodman reduced his salary to $1 in 2018 to appease investors. GoPro refocused on its core products, introducing new camera models like the Hero 11 Black and enhancing its software and subscription services. Despite these efforts, GoPro continued to struggle with maintaining profitability and market share. However, GoPro's future remains uncertain, but the company is trying to leverage its strong brand and loyal customer base. If GoPro can successfully navigate its financial challenges and continue to innovate, it may still have a bright future ahead. The story of GoPro and Nick Woodman highlights the dynamic nature of entrepreneurship and the fine line between success and failure. Woodman's visionary ideas propelled GoPro to great heights, but his personal spending and strategic missteps significantly contributed to the company's decline. As GoPro looks to the future, it must learn from its past to build a more sustainable and resilient business model. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking right circle. And if you want to explore more, check the left video